Nee. I can hear.
So take a look
You do
to this beauty. 80-meter Yagi on 50-meter height. Very straight, new boom. Reinforced. And below we have a stack of tri-benders. 16 element and the 4 element 40 meter full size. So enjoy the view. Not every day to see something like this. Beauty of Norway. Lima November 8 whiskey.
I think this is not one.
Okay, job for today is done. Look at this guy. And look at this guy. Our crane operator. The guys from 3 Yankee 0. What was your call? Tore Svein. And those guys are lazy. They do nothing. Just sitting around. They don't have any Jägermeister for us.
Okay.